It's okay, Ping. Julius always comes up with inventions to help us out. He'll figure something out.
He's right, Julius. If anyone can solve this problem, you can.
All right, I'll try. To the invention dimension!
Gesundheit!
Presenting the Bow Wow Bubble! We just put Chachi inside. And now he can still move around and play without making me sneeze.
Oh no! Chachi! Oh no! Come back! Hooray! He likes it! Julius, you did it! Go, Chachi! Go, Chachi! Worry Bear?
Are you okay?
Are you okay, Worry Bear?
Oh yeah, I'm just glad Chachi's having fun.
Hey, where is Chachi?
Chachi, come here, Chachi.